His is the story of Uncle Rahim, a man everyone thought would die poor and broken. But fate had something else planned for him. Stay till the end, because what happened when his family returned will make you cry. Rahim lived a simple life. He ran a small grocery shop in the corner of a narrow street. Every morning, he opened his shop before sunrise, made tea, and worked until his hands hurt. He wasn't rich, but he was honest. He dreamed of giving his children a better life. But one night, everything changed. His eldest son said, "Father, you've wasted your life in this old shop. We want more. We're leaving for the city." Rahim tried to stop them. "My children, dreams are good, but not without patience and hard work." They didn't listen. The next morning, the house was empty. His wife, his sons, his daughter, all gone. Only silence and a torn family photo were left behind. Narrator. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Rahim stopped eating properly. He barely spoke to anyone. The shop gathered dust. The shelves stood empty. Neighbors whispered, "He's lost everything." One evening, a little boy came crying near his shop. He had no money to buy bread. Rahim gave him food without asking a thing. The boy's mother came running and said, "Sir, may God bless you. You are rich from the heart." Those words hit Rahim like a spark in the dark. He looked at his empty shop and whispered, "If I can feed one hungry child, maybe I can still build something." That night, he cleaned the entire shop and made a promise to himself. "I may have lost my family, but I haven't lost my purpose." Narrator. Rahim started again. He used his old mobile phone and learned about online business and delivery apps. People laughed. What will this old man do with technology? But he didn't stop. He turned his small grocery into an online delivery store. Rahim Mart. At first, only 5 people ordered, then 50, then hundreds. His kindness became his brand. He gave free food to poor families, discounts to students, and smiles to everyone who came by. In 3 years, Rahim Mart became one of the most popular local delivery brands. TV channels interviewed him. He received awards. Everyone knew his name. The kind uncle who never gave up. Narrator. One rainy evening, a black car stopped in front of his house. Rahim opened the door and froze. It was them, his wife, his sons, his daughter. They looked different, tired, worn out, ashamed. His son spoke first. "Father, we failed. We were wrong. You were right. We forgot who you were." Tears rolled down Rahim's face. He looked at them, the same faces that once left him alone, and smiled softly. "I was never angry," he said. "I only wanted you to learn what money can't buy: peace, patience, and purpose." He hugged them. No drama, no shouting, just silence and forgiveness. Narrator. Inspiring tone. Today, Uncle Rahim still runs his business, but now his family works beside him. He teaches others to start small, to never give up, and to believe in second chances. And every night, he says one thing before going to bed: "You can lose everything, your money, your family, your friends. But if you never lose faith, the world will find its way back to you."